This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 19th, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 2.62 points or 0.63% to 411.27. Total trade volume was down from Friday. 95,491 shares changed hands at a total value of roughly 470 million Khmer Real, or around $115,000. Most of the main board was down, with only two stocks up. Pestech Cambodia was up by 0.83% or 20 Real to 2,440 Real per share, and Grand Twins International was up 0.27% or 10 Real to 3,650 Real per share. On the downside, Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority was the biggest loser of the day, down 2.29% or 160 Real to 6,820 Real per share, followed by Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, which was down 1.50% or 180 Real to 11,800 Real per share. All remaining stocks on the main board were down. On the growth board, both DBD Engineering and JS Land stayed flat at 2,080 Real and 3,460 Real per share, respectively. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the highest trade volume of the day, with 20,677 shares changing hands at a total value of 141 million Real, or $34,550, making up 20.9% of the total trade volume on August 19th. MJQ Education followed in second, replacing Grand Twins International, recording a total of 20,512 shares valued at 42 million Real, or $10,160, making up approximately 20.8% of Monday's trade volume. In other market news, more companies have released their second quarterly reports for 2024. DBD Engineering reported a 170.01% loss compared to the same quarter in 2023. The company's total assets also decreased by 9.29% to 76.1 billion Real, or $18.6 million, while total equity increased by 2.62% to 36.3 billion Real, or $8.9 million, compared to the end of 2023. Grand Twins International also disclosed that the company recorded a 3.56% decrease in total revenue and a 90.53% decrease in net profit in Q2 2024 compared to the same quarter in 2023. As of the end of June 2024, Grand Twins International's total assets reached 394.5 billion Real, or $96.7 million, while the company's total equity reached 286.5 billion Real, or $70.2 million. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened slightly to 4,090 Real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 102.22. Oil prices eased on Monday, with Brent holding below $80 as concerns over demand in top oil importer China weighed on market sentiment. Brent crude futures dropped 63 cents or 0.8% to $79.05 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures slid 73 cents or 1% to $75.92. Both benchmarks fell nearly 2% last Friday as investors tempered their Chinese demand growth expectations, but ended the week largely unchanged after U.S. data showed that inflation was moderating despite robust retail spending. Gold eased after powering to an all-time high above the important $2,500 per ounce level in the last session on strong safe haven demand and expectations of an imminent U.S. rate cut as investors seek more cues on the quantum of cuts. Spot gold was down 0.4% to $2,496.46 per ounce, just about $13 shy of the record high of $2,509.65 hit on Friday. U.S. gold futures edged 0.1% lower to $2,534.80. Stock futures were little changed Monday after the S&P 500 registered its best week of 2024. Futures tied to the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq 100 all hovered around the flat line, following a busy week of economic data ahead of a key speech from the U.S. Federal Reserve Chair. Stocks are coming off a winning week amid a volatile stretch for equities. The broad index rallied 3.9% for its best week since 2023. The Nasdaq Composite and Dow added 5.2% and 2.9%, respectively. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 19th.